What's going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be checking out the brighttown 25 count $15 LED bulbs. We're going to go and check this out. We're going to do this in an indoor test and we're going to check it out. So it comes with two LED bulbs. All right, so since these are indoor and outdoor use, I decided to actually put them inside my room just for a change, just to see what they would be and what they would look like as traditionally as if I were to put these outside. It's the same exact result, but we're going to be doing more testings and everything else in a controlled environment. And as you can see, this is what it's looking like. It's a long piece of equipment here. And for it being 15 bucks, you can technically add 3 of these because they do have an extension on the other end. So you can add multiple, which is really cool. But we're going to go ahead and turn these on and we're going to check out the ratings. All right, let's go and plug it in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that looks good already. Let me see how much watt. Wow, these are taking 128 watt. That is a lot of power. But they look so good. Like, you cannot justify the price and you cannot justify on how good these look. Wow, these look so good. For it being very cheap, you're basically paying for the electricity bill. But like, you can't beat how these look. These are a nice vintage look. They do get a little warm since they're not LED completely, but they are glass. So you got that glass little vintage look. This looks really, really good. Very clean. I really like the look of it. And as you can see, I put the other end like this, like that. So you can see the difference, and then you can add, I believe, up to 3. I don't recommend 4 because it's a lot of wattage. And but it's able to handle a good amount. It's doing 128 watts, like I said. So it's a beefy amount of power that it's drawing, but it looks super, super good. And these are weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting rain or whatever, which is really cool. So that's why it's good for indoor and outdoor. And it honestly looks cool. I would keep it here if it wasn't very expensive to keep it in there and have them on all the time, because that's a lot of watts. I prefer my indoor lighting that I have here for the LED floodlights. Those are also a good option, but they're a little bit more expensive, but cost way less than this by like a third. And I don't use those all the time, but this just looks so good. It looks good on camera, looks good all and every area. So definitely recommend. This is a short video. There's not really much that I have to really say about it. It's just a light. There's no app, there's nothing. You can't change the color, you can't do anything else like that, but they might have some available in the shop. So anyways, see you guys in the next one, and peace out. Really quick, I've just remembered, so you're going to have a smart plug or something like that just to be able to turn it on and off, because there's no way to turn it on and off. You have to use the plug, just unplug it and plug it back in. But if you're a store or whatever, these are going to be good for you. But in your backyard and stuff like that, you're going to have to unplug it and plug it back in every single time. So get a smart plug. They're really inexpensive. They're like $5, especially on Black Friday on Amazon. You can get really good deals. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to say.